This is going to be my newest project. I guess you can call it a project. I really didn't necessarily buy it as a project bike. I was really just wanting a dirt bike and came across this one. It's a 1983 Honda XR350R. It, as you can tell, it has been not necessarily taken the best care of, but it runs. And I got it from the guy for 500 bucks. So I thought I can't go wrong there. He did tell me the motor has been bored over to 400, but he said the previous guy did that and he didn't have any documentation, so I don't really know if that's the case or not, but it doesn't really bother me. 350 is enough for me, especially starting out. So as you can tell, it's really dirty. He said it was sitting in a barn for about 8 or 9 months. Got it out, thought he'd clean it up. As you can tell, somebody's kind of botched the exhaust a little bit. People's infatuation with cutting out those baffles and spark arresters. I don't know. Poor man's way of getting loud exhaust ends up making the bike run terrible and sounds terrible, looks terrible. Got it leaning up against this post because it does not have a kickstand. Gear shifter looks a little bent. As you can tell, it's definitely dirty. So, I don't know. Give it a shot. Try to clean it up. Maybe even try to do some work on these plastics, see what we can't do with those. And yeah, should turn out good. I'm gonna get to cleaning. I use this stuff when I'm washing my vehicles. It's about turtle wax, max power. You can mix accordingly to what you're dealing with. I'm gonna mix up the extreme and see what happens here.